Nice one. So we're gonna mix clove with ginger. All right. Very secret recipe where a lot of people does not even know about this recipe. But look what's gonna happen. Right here, I got a large cup of water into the pot. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna grate a piece of a ginger. We're not gonna use the whole of this ginger. Just gonna use a little piece. Just like that. Got some of your favorite cloves. I'm gonna put a few into the water. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this to boil for a few minutes. Add a little bit of extra water. This is some fresh mint. All right, so we're just gonna make this boil up. Once it boils, then we're gonna strain it. All right, as you can see, started getting hot. And that's looking really good so far. Nice one. So once it boils, Just like this because I want you guys to see everything what I'm doing. Then we're gonna turn off our cooker. Once you turn off our cooker, just spin the camera around just so you guys can see what's going on. I'm just gonna pour this off inside of it. Beautiful. And let's put that inside of it. And also this, all right? It's better for you to use organic honey. All right, guys, because organic honey is the best thing to use. But I have some normal honey I'm going to be using. About half teaspoon of honey. Mix it. All right. And the way you want to do, you want to drink this at least 2 to 3 times a day. All right, trust me, and you will see the result with this healthy drink, guys. Now, I will put the information in the description box, and it's also very good for weight loss, information in your body, and a lot more stuff, guys. All right, so enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the world's best ever recipes. So stay tuned for more tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.